Lenovo Lecoo-C8, smart Bluetooth sunglasses for sports and everyday use. Looking for a versatile, stylish, and tech-savvy gadget to enhance your outdoor workouts, daily commute, or casual listening experience? The Lenovo Lecoo-C8 Bluetooth version 5.0 earphone sunglasses is your perfect companion. This innovative product seamlessly combines anti-glare sunglasses with wireless Bluetooth earphones, featuring smart touch control, IPX6 waterproof protection, and a super lightweight design, just 31G, ideal for active individuals who value both function and fashion. See product and video description. Detailed review of Lenovo Lecoo-C8. 1. Stable sound performance, equipped with Bluetooth 5.0. The Lecoo-C8 is powered by Bluetooth 5.0 technology, providing a fast and stable connection, lower power consumption, and wide compatibility with both Android and iOS devices. The audio quality is crisp and smooth, perfect for workouts, cycling, or daily commuting. 2. Sleek design, featherlight at only 31G. The C8 comes in a sporty, modern sunglass design with an anti-glare coating that protects your eyes from strong sunlight and UV rays. Weighing just 31G, it's incredibly light and comfortable to wear all day long without pressure on your nose or ears. 3. IPX6 waterproof, built for outdoor use. Sweaty workouts or sudden rain? No problem. The IPX6 waterproof rating ensures the Lecoo-C8 performs reliably in various weather conditions, making it a great choice for outdoor enthusiasts. 4. Smart touch and voice control. With a simple tap on the frame, you can play/pause music, skip tracks, answer/end calls, activate voice assistants like Siri or Google Assistant. Voice control support adds an extra layer of convenience, especially when your hands are busy or you're on the go. 5. 120 mAh battery, up to 6 hours of usage. With a built-in 120 mAh battery, you can enjoy continuous music playback or calls for 5 to 6 hours, enough to power through a workout session, a hike, or your daily tasks. 6. Perfect for a wide range of users. Fitness and sports lovers, running, cycling, hiking. Drivers looking for hands-free audio. Office workers who enjoy smart, stylish tech. Anyone who spends time outdoors and wants eye and ear protection. Conclusion: is the Lenovo Lecoo-C8 worth buying? Yes, if you're searching for a two-in-one gadget that combines stylish sunglasses with wireless earphones, the Lenovo Lecoo-C8 is a fantastic choice in the affordable tech category. With a smart design, useful features, and a competitive price, it's a great addition to your everyday gear. Key highlights: stable Bluetooth connectivity, touch and voice control, lightweight and waterproof, anti-glare protection with decent battery life. Check it out and order now at the link in the video description. Click the link in the video description below to check it out and grab yours today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, drop a comment to share your thoughts or questions, and subscribe to our channel, Best Products 365, for more awesome tech reviews and smart shopping tips. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.